What's up, YouTube? Just got home after buying this bad boy. Oh yeah. I thought for 1 second, is the hitch all the right thing to move a snowblower? I knew it would hold the weight, but I wasn't sure about it rattling left and right, back and forth. And then I remembered I have this awesome thing called an anti-rattle hitch clamp. And I tell you what, this thing didn't move an inch the whole trip. This thing didn't move at all. Zero. No side to side, no back and forth. This thing is awesome. And this clamp I'm talking about is that guy right there. Now, if you have anybody in your family that hauls things, has a hitch on their truck, SUV, whatever, if they tow a boat, like that guy back there, if you got a trailer, if you got a hitch haul, if you got a bike rack, if you got anything that sticks out the back of your vehicle, goes into a 2-inch receiver, get them an anti-rattle clamp. This thing is a game changer when it comes to any type of slop in a 2-inch receiver. Highly recommend it. You can see this is loose. Look at how much slop this has. That all goes away once that clamp's on there. And you can see how that'll slide on there. Tighten it down. Then you get this guy. Bring it on home. Just like that. Simple 3/4 inch ratchet. And this thing is on there. Two nuts to tighten down. Can't be any simpler than that. It does not budge at all once that's nice and tight. So yeah, I highly recommend anti-chatter, anti-rattle, anti-whatever hitch receiver clamp. Make sure it's the one with the really wide end on it so that it attaches to the piece coming out of the hitch as well as the hitch itself, so it's nice and sturdy. Thanks again. This is another great episode of Shuffle Does. Thanks for watching what I do.